Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be telling you the two new updates by Mistral AI. So the first one would be about a model which is called Pixtral Large. So I'll be telling you all about this, and the second is about the new updates in the Lee chat. So I'll be telling you all about it, so stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So first I'll be telling you about Pixtral Large. So Pixtral grows up. So what it does, it's actually a frontier class multimodal performance. It is the state of the art on mathvista, docvqa, vqa v2, and it also extends Mistral Large 2 without compromising text performance. So it is a 123b, means 123 billion multimodal decoder, 1 billion parameter vision encoder. It has a 128K context window, fits minimum of 30 high resolution images. And to use it, you can try it on Lee Chat. Also in the API, which is known as Pixtral Large Latest, and also you can download it here. Means you can click on this button and then you can download it also. And so Pixtral Large, it is a 124 it's billion open weights multimodal which is built on top of Mistral Large 2. So this model is built on Mistral Large 2, and it is the second model in the multimodal family, and it also demonstrates the image understanding, means whatever image you get it will understand it, and then it is also able to understand documents, charts, and natural images, while also maintaining the leading text only understanding of Mistral Large 2. So, this model is available under the Mistral Research License for research and educational use, and the Mistral Commercial License for experimentation, testing, and production for commercial purposes. So, here you see a graph. There's a benchmark of MMMT bench in which you see the orange bar is for Mistral Pixtral Large. So you see here it is higher than the other ones such as Llama, there's Claude and Gemini and GPT-4o. And here you see MMMU, in which here you see for the Mistral the orange bars are higher than the other. And in some it's like together you see it's same, but in some you see it's higher. And regarding the performance is say, because you see the performance has been done on many, as you can see the performance has been done on many benchmarks, so such as mathvista, mmmu, chartqa, docvqa, vqa v2, AI2D, and MMMT bench. So here you can see the score of Pixtral Large 2, which is of 124 billion parameters. So here you see it has won in mathvista and docvqa, vqa v2, and MMMT. Means in 4 of the benchmarks it has won, and in the rest 3 it lost to the other models. And about the qualitative samples, you can see the multilingual OCR and reasoning. Here, if you ask, for example, you give the prompt like, I bought the coffee and the sausage, how much do I owe? Add an 18% tip. So here you can see it is giving the response for it calculates the cost of the coffee and sausage. After that, it calculates the 18% tip, and then it adds the tip to the total cost. So, and then finally, what it tells the total cost. After that, it does the understanding of the chart. So you see here the chart understanding is that you see here the chart is given in which there's a dark dragon, dainty sunset, different haze, morning feel. And you say there's a prompt that when did things start to go wrong for dark dragon? So it says that the training loss for the dark dragon, it starts to exhibit significant instability around the 10,000 steps mark, and then it tells more about it. And there are some more things. It says it also, you ask the model that which companies use models made by Mistral AI. So it also tells the companies that use models made by Mistral AI as shown, such as BNP Paribas, Brave, Cloudflare, Front. And one more thing about Pixtral Large is that it's a text model. It also gets an update, means the model is available as Pixtral Large latest on the API, as well as for self-development as Mistral Large 24.11 on Hugging Face under the Mistral Research license for research. And this model, what it does, it provides some significant upgrade on the previous Mistral Large 24.07 with improvements in long context understanding, accurate function calling, and a new system prompt. And so it's also capable for RAG and agentic workflows, and it is also a suitable choice for use cases such as knowledge exploration and sharing, even for the understanding of the documents to automate your tasks and also improve customer experiences. So it will be also available on the cloud partners soon, starting with Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure within a week. And the update of the lead chat I'll be telling you about. As you can see, Mistral has entered the chat. So you see there's search, vision, ideation, coding, all yours for free. So if you see in Lay Chat, now it has the features such as web search with citations. It will also give the citations also. There is the canvas for ideation, inline editing and export, and also state-of-the-art document and image understanding, which is powered by the new multimodal Pixtral Large image generation, and that would be powered by the Black Forest Labs Flux Pro. So this image generation would be powered by Black Forest Labs Flux Pro, and it has fully integrated offering from models to outputs, faster responses by speculative editing. And here you can see all the features in LeChat. There's a yes to it. Otherwise, in the other model, you see some are paid, some there's a no for it, and some are limited. But for LeChat, it's a yes to all the features, which is access to latest frontier model, web search with citations, canvas for ideation, image generation, image or document analysis, task agents, and single platform for from models to outputs. And here you can see there's a video for the web search. Here it says, for example, when you search like what is the current market size of AI in healthcare? So it gives the answer. First, it searches from the web and gives the answer according to it. And there's a citation also that from which website it got the information. And then if I down, there's another video for Canvas, which I like unpause it. And then here's the see. Today we're releasing Canvas that lets users collaborate with AI directly on. Okay, so it says create a canvas with metrics that we should measure for this new product release. Okay, so here you can see there's an canvas metrics. There's a different window in which it is telling all the information regarding it. And then you can also create like the coding solutions also. So you can see on one side there would be a code and on the other side the prompt is it. And here you can see you can even preview these things like whatever code is that, and then you can make changes to it also. Then there's a fast and accurate document understanding, in which there's a video also for it, like the research paper OCR. So here there's a research paper and then it will understand it. So it's about Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen. This is the okay, so they like uploaded this research paper and then it will tell you about it. So first it will understand the document and then it will tell you about what is it. So that instead of completing the whole research paper, you can just have some summary points or something like that. And then it also says like who are the authors of this paper because it's understanding the document. So in addition to that, it will be telling and what functions are there, something like that. And then For the image generation, so it is partnered with Black Forest Labs, as I already told you, and you can use it. For the cost, you can see now it's free, and you can also try it. So I've tried it by myself. So when I said, first what you do, you click on the plus, and then you can click on whether you want canvas, web search, or image generation. Okay, so when you click on web search, so it will only do web search because you have clicked on it. So it won't do image generation unless you have clicked on it. For example, if you click image generation with it, so then it can do web search as well as image generation. But if you unclick it, then it won't do any image generation, it would just do web search. And if you unclick web search and click on canvas, so then web search and image generation would be disabled, and you can just use canvas in it. So here I've done some examples. Like for example, in Canvas, I wrote that can you create a solitaire game? So it was created, and when you click, you can see here there's a whole window in which you can see all the code of the solitaire game, and then there's the response that I can help you create a simple version using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then here you can see it has used HTML, JavaScript also using the functions, and CSS also. A little bit of CSS. Little bit of CSS has been used. And you can ask more stuff. And then in Canvas, not the Canvas, in web search, I asked like, can you search robots? So it was like telling me about types of robots. So here it has got the information from Wikipedia. Here it got from IMDb. And here you can see there are some more like the information and from different websites. So, and in image generation, I wrote a prompt that can you create an amazing tiger in space. So here you can see it has created a tiger which is in a space, and it looks like it's kind of moving in a space. And this one, I wrote that can you create an image of panda in a park full of red roses, because I specified the roses should be red. So here you can see there's an image of a panda, and it's a park which has full red roses. So that's all I can say. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.